Yo, it's like you don't remember who me, you know. It's a week now, I forget the documents and I know them can't reach me, you know. Yo, Jerry, don't go out like you want to take up that boy. When you never depend nothing, me run. Yo, hear me I say. Tell him to deal with the things them and make me have them ASAP. How him think? Because I'm there yard, me can't reach my foreign. Yo, hear me say, you go talk to him, because I not answer my calling. Look like I'm gonna make an example of that boy. Yo, Imperial. What go? You make a link back with Sophie. Yes. What? Brother, here what I need you for do. When you go over our place, and so when you put Nazar head, we need you to call you. Yeah? Make sure it's a video call. Make me talk to her. Hear that? Jenny, come on. Friends. I think I know.
Feel better now?
I feel better. I stop sleeping on the bed.
Because you're in the bed?
So that's why I feel in that.
I mean, alright in the couch.
Jen, really that bad? Look how long with that.
Correction. Did they?
So that's my girl. Can't reach back this up.
No, Radcliffe. Our time passed, and I ask you please to respect that.
So what? You have somebody in your life?
Yes, Radcliffe.
Why do I feel like you just say that? Because you want me love?
I'm serious. I have somebody in my life.
So how am I not see nobody coming to her?
That's not what you need to worry about.
I want to ask you something. Why you never tell me when you come to Jamaica?
Why you never tell me exactly where you did involve in her?
Stop playing naive, my girl. How do you think all of them money that you come from?
From the house them where you say you used to buy and sell back.
And when I ask you to start drop off the package then, where you did thinking of them? You enjoy the high life, but as soon as everything starts go bad, you're ready for run.
Radcliffe, how much more did you really want me to go through with them?
Everything. You enjoy the sweet, so now you need to roll with the sour. Remember, me give you everything.
You're not gonna make me forget that, not true?
No, because I forgot beat it in the head, because you move on grateful.
What do you mean by ungrateful, Radcliffe? You in my place. Me give you my room. I cook for you. What more you want from me?
Me have to body up. And it's more like they road asleep now. It's like you remember kindness.
You know what, sir? I'm not gonna live my life. I feel like I'm indebted to you. when me know say me pay you back in a blood, sweat and tears. Remember some have a gunshot own for sure, you know. And I you them come for and me get it.
And I me save money that for come bust them head before them come finish you. Or you conveniently forget that. Diamond. Oh, you're shocked. You forget your street name. You seem to forget a whole heap of things too. Like the fact that your own cousin pimp you out when you just come a friend and then fling you out. And you have to move from prostitution to stripper to earn money for finish your studies.
You think me shame on my past, Radcliffe? Me did need to do what me need to do. Cause my family them let me down, cause me did have to survive.
I did barely survive till me forward.
And you take me out of the frying pan and throw me in the fire. Give me a gallon of milk and then turn around kick it over. Me I do what me can do for you now. But me I beg you please, so they get back on your foot. Just go on and leave me alone, let me live my life.
You sound very self-righteous. I wonder how your man and your friend would have feel. They know you used to strip and sell yourself.
You really come here to torment me, not true, Radcliffe?
No. Me need you to remember kindness and hold it dead for you.
And I need you to remember more than pay me dues. So I need you to give me a break now.
Break? Where you are? Your hand? Your foot? Your back?
You know, I come go for the bar.
I go for our business place. Come to think of it, I don't know my business place.